So I walked in. Only to be disturbed by the sound of a fucking waterfall. But guess what? There ain't no fucking waterfall near here in Bel Air. I asked myself a simple question. Am I just going to just sit here, my lazy ass, and let my car get fucking water spots on a $65,000 Corvette? I don't think so.